In front of me is Realme 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. First of all, go into settings and tap on sounds and vibration right away. Then you can click on this switcher next to vibrate on ring to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Then select vibration intensity, and by operating those two sliders, manage haptic feedback for incoming calls, alarms, messages, and notifications. When you finished, hit this gray area of your screen at the top. Now tap on sound mode, and by selecting vibrate in the middle, mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you finished, scroll down. Then click on ringtone. Tap on vibration section at the top and apply the best vibration option for your incoming calls. You can tap on one of those vibration patterns to set up the best one. Click on no vibration at the bottom to switch them off, or synchronize them with ringtone by clicking on this option at the top. When you finished, go back. Now, by scrolling all the way down, you can access haptics. And by clicking on this switcher next to System Haptics, turn on or off haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. If you decided to activate them, you can adjust intensity thanks to this slider at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!